riding this tractor up those ramps and see what happens. So, get over by the motorbike. Hey, I'm having second thoughts about this. Is it crazy? Whoa. Alright, go. Okay, our first try was a success, except it was real slow, so now we're gonna be taking it from a whole new speed, and it's gonna be faster. Yeah. Okay, now for the third video, well, the third part, we're gonna drive a cart that has a trailer on it, and I'm gonna be in the trailer. Won't put you in it, Jake. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop in. Okay, we are now in the tractor from 10 seconds later. I'm now lying down chill. And we now started it. Oh shit, okay. Now going. Oh my. Whoa, Jake, oh my god. Okay, no, pull on fast. I just wasn't ready for it. Turn around. No, just do a U-turn.
What the fuck do you want?
You seriously stopped?
What do you want?
No, started out. Oh my god. Oh my god, Jake. You're lucky I didn't put you in the video. I would have been like, what a dumbass! Okay. Jake, you don't come on this way. Look, we're not even gonna hit the ramp.
Okay, I'll go around.
Fine.
Hold on.
Whoa! Okay. Hold on a minute, folks. We have some technical difficulties. Okay. You're now approaching. Ow! God! Damn it. Okay. You're now. You're about to hit full speed. How about that?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh shit! That's full speed. Fuck! We're having some technical difficulties. Okay, back up, Jake. Full speed. Full speed! Oh shit! Holy shit! Jake. Oh, my ass! Shit! Fuck, juice! My ass! Fuck, all this shit is over.
Did you pause it?
Oh!
These are my good friends' Jews. I can't get them fucking.
I didn't fucking pause it at all. It's still going.
Pause it.
My ass. Oh. And that ends our stupid stunts. So, see you later.
I give mom back.
Okay, good.